name of Almighty God, we unveil this trophy, the winner's trophy, which is your running trophy of the first NECDC friendship tournament, which is being presently played, as you can see in the background. This tournament between the six sister states. So it is a proud privilege for us, all of us, not only myself or Mr. Anilaji or Rahmanji, for all the six states of Northeast. We dedicate this trophy to all our cricketers of the six states, the cricket-loving people of our six states who have been always a source of support, and of course to the NECDC. So we unveil the winner's trophy, the running trophy. And as you can see here, all these six miniatures of cricketers represent the six northeastern states. So a big round of applause to all of us, to all the members of the NECDC.